Composable Commerce leverages mock as a part of its core commerce technology, and thus means it will follow a headless commerce approach. This is going to be great for businesses that are looking for a decoupled architecture to be able to grant them the flexibility and speed to customize without any dependencies. Now, while headless commerce offers a great deal of benefits, many people are often confused about how it will work. Oftentimes we get questions like, now that you've removed the head, where do I find it? With Composable Commerce, does the head come with it? Do I have to build it? And well, the answer is yes, the head can come with Composable Commerce. And there are 3 main options that you can choose from based on your specific requirements. The first option is going to be with an embeddable cart and checkout. This is going to be for you if you already have a content site or a blog that talks about your products and services, but you have not yet turned these channels into transactional streams. By integrating an embeddable cart like Snipcart or Elastic Path's ShopKit, customers can shop and pay directly from your existing website without leaving the page. The best part is it requires little to no coding knowledge or experience, is available in seconds, and is easily integrated with Jamstack principles. The second option is with a reference store experience. Now, this is going to be for you if you're looking for a compelling shopping experience right out of the box. At Elastic Path, you can leverage a library of omnichannel reference experiences that span across the web, IoT, mobile, and even in store. And so you'll be leveraging things like chatbots, Alexa skill references, AR, and mobile self-checkouts, just to name a few. And this is going to be great for businesses that want to get something up and running really quickly, but also want to be able to easily change the look and feel of the store to match the brand's identity, and also provide a seamless shopping experience across multiple touch points. The third option is going to be with a third-party content management system. Now, this is going to be for you if you have a substantial development team, and your marketing team is the one that really controls all of your content and is consistently updating pages and your content. So with this option, you will have your team build your custom front end and leverage best of breed solutions. You can choose from a variety of content management vendors from the Composable Commerce Hub, like Amplience, Acquia, Contentful, and Bloomreach, and then customize your personal content experience across all of your channels. Or if you have an existing structure, you can use that and continue to leverage the Jamstack principles for easy workflows and API calls. Now, remember, with a Composable Commerce approach, you'll never be locked into one specific vendor. You can continue to innovate and customize, and then swap out one for the other at your will until you find the right one for you. In conclusion, there are a variety of ways to get your head with Composable Commerce. Of course, if you have an extensive development team and you want to build that from scratch by leveraging Jamstack or just using any other code language, you're also welcome to do so. Now, if you have any more questions about integrating your front-end experience, I'd be happy to connect you with one of our internal experts. We'd be happy to help.